So what is that?
X minus 9
If x minus 9
ratios 3x plus 6
3x plus 6
is the duplicate of ratio
is duplicate ratio
4:9.
duplicate ratio of
4:9.
4:9. Is this so?
Find x.
4:9. So find x. Okay. So here is duplicate ratio of 4:9. Right? Find the value x. Okay. So duplicate ratio of 4:9. 4:9 था 5:9 था?
So 4 ratio.
4:9 is equal to 4 square ratio 9 square. So it becomes how much? 16 ratio 81. And this is equal to this because it is given you, right? So when you equate this, say x minus 9 upon 3x plus 6 is equal to 16 upon 81. So how it will be? So what we will do? We will cross multiply it, right? 3 times 16 becomes 48. 48x plus 16 times 6 becomes 96 is equal to 81x minus 729. Is so? So what you will do now? Now you bring this 79 here. 729. So 729 plus 96 is equal to 81x plus minus 48x. You get this? Huh?
Yes.
So it is 825 is equal to how much? So 81 subtracted from 48, 7, 11, 3 and 3, 33. Is it? 33x Huh? Okay. So x is equal to 825 upon 33. When you divide it, 825 by 33, then it becomes 2 times 66. We have taken 7 here, 7 from here. Here will be 7, here will be 1. 12 minus 6 becomes 6. 7 minus 6 becomes 1, and 5. You bring it here 5. So it becomes 165. So it becomes 25. So x is equal to 25. Is this so?
Yes.
So what is your answer?
X is equal to 25.
You check that?
Yes.
Okay. Should I done?
Yes.
What is next question?
X plus 2y.
Should I done?
Yes.
Okay. What is next?
X plus 2y ratio.
Is part of that?
Yes. Third.
Question number 1. Then
Third.
second. It was first part.
Yes.
Now you are not doing second.
Yes.
Second you will do by your own. Okay. Come to question of part 3. What is that?
X plus 2y
X plus 2y,
ratio 2x minus y
2x minus y
is equal to duplicate ratio
is duplicate ratio.
3 ratio 2.
Duplicate ratio of
3 ratio 2.
3 ratio 2.
Find x and y.
Find x and y. ठीक है? Is this so? Okay. So we will write duplicate ratio of 3 ratio 2 is equal to 3 square ratio 2 square becomes 9 ratio 4. Okay. So this is duplicate ratio 3 is to 2 becomes 9 is to 4. ठीक है. अब 9 up, and it is given you that they are duplicate ratio also, right? So it will be x plus 2 upon 2x minus y is equal to 9 by 4, right? when you cross multiply it, this was x plus 2 and
X plus 2y.
this is x plus 2y and 2y.
2x minus.
y. So this is 2y.
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
2y. So here we will take 2y. It will be cross multiplied by this and it will be cross multiplied by this. So you will get 4x plus 8y is equal to 18x minus 9y. Is it?
Yes.
Huh? You get this? Okay. So we are writing here 4x we are writing here 4x plus 8y is equal to 18x minus 9y, right? So when we go, so you bring this 9y on this side and 4 you bring on this side, right? So 9 when goes on this side, so it becomes 9y plus 8y is equal to 18x minus 4x. Is this so? So 9 plus 8 becomes 17y is equal to 14x, right? So how you can write that? You can bring this y on, you can bring this 17 upon 14 is equal to x upon y. Is this?
Yes.
So x is equal to 17 and y is equal to 14. Is it your answer?
Yes.
You checked? Okay. So this was 13th third part. What is next? 12th question. What is that? Question number 12. What is that?
It's y bracket 3x.
Y bracket 3x. Y bracket 3x
Minus y.
Y
Bracket 3x minus y.
Y bracket 3x minus y
Ratio x
bracket
4x plus y.
4x plus y. Then
Is equal to 5 ratio 12.
is equal to 5 ratio 12.
Find x square plus y square.
Find x square plus y square.
Bracket.
बस हाँ ठीक है, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर रेशियो
x plus y whole square.
एक्स प्लस वाई होल स्क्वायर. This is,
Yes.
oh my god. How you will do this? Hmm? So, 12y bracket 3x minus y is equal to 5x bracket 4x plus y, right? So it becomes how much? 3 times 12, 12 times 3 becomes 36. So this is 36 xy minus 12 y square is equal to 20 x square plus 5 xy. Is this? Huh?
Yes.
Three x 36 xy minus 5 xy is equal to 20 x square plus 12 y square, right? So it becomes how much?
31 x.
31 xy is equal to 20 x square plus 12 y square. There is given you 4y minus 3x upon 3x minus y upon x bracket 4x plus 5. If I write here x square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 2xy. And x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Show me the question, please. Which one?
So 12 second.
Oh, three. This is not correct. Right, इसी को हमें इक्वेशन में लाना है, ठीक है। तो 4x² प्लस xy 4x² प्लस xy प्लस 5xy So if you write it like this, oh, 20x² plus 12y², right?
Yes.
Mhm. You won't go like this. You go 3x minus y upon 4x plus y is equal to 5x plus 12y, right? 5x plus 12y. So you can write 3x minus y is equal to 5x, right? So bring this here, minus y is equal to 5x minus 3x. So y is equal to minus y is equal to minus 2x, right? So you get x is equal to x upon y is equal to minus 1/2, ठीक। अगर हम इसको ले लें 4x plus y is equal to 12y, then what happens? 4x, so y is equal to 8y, 8x, oh sorry, 4x is equal to 11y, hmm? Is there two values?
Same answer.
Hmm?
Same answer.
Hmm.
Is 41 ratio 81 or 25 ratio 14?
So there is x upon y is equal to 11 upon 4. ये एक वैल्यू आ गई, एक वैल्यू ये आ गई. अब एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर मतलब 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर अपॉन -1 प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर कितना हुआ 1 प्लस 4 अपॉन 1 5/1 ऐसा कुछ आ रहा था.
25 ratio 49 or 41 ratio 81?
41 ratio 81. Question it's very easy to solve it, but problem is that right now it's not striking the brain. Actually इसमें क्या होता है हमें completing the square method से इसको solve करना पड़ जाता है. Up. So what we will do, in this, if I take y bracket 3x plus y is equal to 5, right? So it becomes how much? 3x y plus y square is equal to 5. If I multiply and divide both sides by 2, right? So it becomes how much? It is 2 into 3 by x upon 2 into y plus y square is equal to 5. Now, if you add and subtract both, right? If you add 3 upon x upon 2 whole square,
So 3x counters.
ये है ना?
So framed.
हाँ?
Framed.
अच्छा. So if we add, should I rub this for a while? No. Anyway, come to the next. हम यहाँ पे क्या कर देते हैं? यहाँ पे करते हैं 3x upon 2 whole square minus 3x upon 2 whole square is equal to plus 2 into 3x upon 2 into y plus y square is equal to 5. This is, अब क्या करेंगे? अब इस माइनस वाले को इधर ले आओ, तो ये हो गया 3x plus 2, 3x upon 2 plus y whole square is equal to 5 plus 3 means 9x square upon 4. ठीक है? So when you solve this, you will get a 4. So this is 20 plus 9x square, and this is 3x plus 2 plus y whole square root over this. Every year I have done. Few days back, I just for one student. अभी इस समय एकदम दिमाग ही नहीं काम कर रहा है कैसे करना है. जैसे y ब्रैकेट 3x minus y bracket of ratio x bracket 4x plus y bracket of is equal to 5 by 12. I was doing correct. जो मैं पहले कर रहा था मैं सही कर रहा था, लेकिन मैं थोड़ा सा कुछ ज़्यादा दिमाग लगा दिया मैंने, है ना. So I was given, yeah. I mean, come on, just few days back I was teaching a student who was preparing for class 10. It's all this question, but this time I got unnecessary. I put more ideas, right? Nothing more than to do this, cross multiply this. You know, there is written as y bracket 3x minus y upon x bracket 4x plus y is equal to 5 by 12, right? Cross multiply. How much you get? 12y bracket 3x minus 4y. Is it? No, it is y, na? It is y. it is also y. So this is y is equal to, and it is 5x bracket 4x plus xy. It's very simple, you know. अबे कर क्या रहा हूँ, plus 4x plus y. Right. Now what you do, 12y becomes 3y is 36xy. You get 36xy, right? Minus 12y square is equal to 20x square plus 5xy. You get this? We done earlier also. Now what you do, you bring this all this on other side. So you write here 20x square plus 12y square is equal to, it will go on the other side. So 36 xy minus 5xy. So you get 20x square plus 12y square is equal to 31xy. Now you write it 20x square minus 31xy plus 12y square is equal to 0. Abhi 20 into 12 is how much?
240.
So you get 240. We get here 240. Right? So you take the factor of 240. 2 times 2 becomes 12. 2 times 1 becomes 2. 2 times 2 becomes 4. With 2, you get 60. Again you get 2. You get 30. Again you get 2. You get how much? How much you get, man? It's 15. This is 16. 16 into 50 becomes 240. And 16 plus 15 becomes, so it is 20x square minus bracket 16 plus 15 xy plus 12y square is equal to 0. So 20x square minus 16x xy minus 15xy plus 12y square is equal to 0. If you have taken 5x from here, no, it's not 4x. If you take 4x, you get how much? 5x minus 4y. Is it so?
Yes.
You get this? Minus, if you take 3y as a common, so you get 5x minus 4y is equal to 0. So there is 5x minus 4y is equal to 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. Right? So now you can take 5x minus 4y is equal to 0. So 5x is equal to 4y. So you can write it. X upon y is equal to 4 upon 5. Right? Yeah, x ratio y is equal to 4:5. If you put here, so how much you will get now? You will get how much? X is 4. 16 plus 5. It is 25 upon 4 plus 5 whole square. So it becomes 41 upon 81. What was your answer?
41 ratio 81.
तो वही हुआ ना. So एक हो गया हमारा x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर रेशो x प्लस y होल स्क्वायर is equal to 41 ratio 81. This is the first part.
Yes.
Now you've done this.
Yes.
Okay. Now if I remove, if we take now, if I rub it from here, so now we can write 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. So it becomes 4x is equal to 3y. Right? So you will get how much? X upon y is equal to 3/4. Or you can write it x ratio y is equal to 3:4. Now when you put it here, so 9 plus 16, 3 square plus 4 square upon 3 plus 4 whole square. So how much? 9 plus 16 upon 7 whole square. So how much you get? 25 upon 49. Huh? It should be done like this. Unnecessary I was putting so much brain. It's very simple. I was remembering things was not so complicated, but the idea I was not getting. Anyway, what next you have? In same question, what next you have? Should I have this?
Yes.
What is next?
If 4x squared plus xy. 4x squared plus xy.
Question number
12 first part.
Question number 12, first part. What is that?
4x plus xy
4x plus xy
ratio 3xy minus y square
3x minus 3xy
minus y square
minus y square
is equal to ratio 12 ratio 5.
12 upon 5. What do you have to find?
X plus 2y
X plus 2y
ratio 2x plus y.
2x plus 1. Fine. Is it? So, क्या मैंने सही लिखा है? 4x स्क्वायर लिखा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Again you cross multiplied it. You make cross multiply. You make multiply with this and you make multiply by this. Right? So how much you will get?
20.
You will get 20x square plus 5xy, right, is equal to 36xy minus 12y square. Is this?
Yes.
So, you bring it here, 20x square plus 12y square plus 5xy minus 36xy is equal to 0. So you can write here 20x square minus 31xy plus 12y square is equal to 0. So how much it is? So
16 plus
20x square minus 16 plus 15 xy plus 12y square is equal to 0. So we get 20x square minus 16xy minus 15xy plus 12y square is equal to 0, right? So you take 4x as a common, you get 5x minus 4y minus 3 bracket 3y bracket 5x minus 4y is equal to 0. So 5x minus 4y is equal to 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. So now 5x minus 4y is equal to 0. So 5x is equal to 4y. 4y. So we can write it x upon y is equal to how much? 4 upon 5. Right. So what do you have to find? We have to find the value of x plus 2y upon 2x plus y. So it is 4 plus 10 upon 8 plus 5. How much you get? 14 upon 13. Huh? What is your answer in book? So you can write here x plus 2y ratio 2x plus y is equal to 14 ratio 13. Right. Now we have next 4x minus 3y can be written as 4x is equal to 3y. And you can write it x upon y is equal to 3 upon 4. So how you will do this? Now x plus 2y upon 2x plus y is equal to 3 plus 8, 2 into 4 upon 2 into 3 plus 4. Is it? So 3 plus 2 times 4 becomes 8. So 3 plus 8 upon 6 plus 4, it becomes 11 upon 10. So x plus 2y ratio 2x plus y is equal to 11 ratio 10.
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
Okay, this was question number 12.
Yes, sir.
We done this, huh? Okay, now we should rub this. What is next question we have? What is your next question?
3x plus 5.
Question number?
11.
Question number 11. What is that?
3x plus 5y
3x plus 5y.
upon 3x minus 5y
3x minus 5y
is equal to 7 upon 3.
7 upon 3.
Find x ratio y.
Find x ratio y. Can you find this? So we get cross multiplying. So it is how much? 9x plus 15y, right, is equal to 3 times 3 becomes 9 and 5 times 3 becomes 15. 7 times 3 becomes 21x minus 35y. So it is how much? 35 35y plus 15y is equal to 21x minus 9x. So it is how much? 50y is equal to 12x. So you can write 50 upon 12 is equal to x upon y, or you can do x ratio y is equal to 50 ratio 12. What is your answer?
25 ratio 6.
Huh?
25 ratio 6.
Huh, 25. We can simplify it. Divide it by 2. This will be 25. This is 6 times 2 becomes 12. So final ratio is x ratio y is equal to 25 ratio 6. Think what next you have? This was which part of 11th? First. This type of question you can solve by one more procedure, which is coming coming to your next section. But I would like to tell you this is very simple, because during exams you do not know how to solve this, right? So there is a philosophy. There is a you have question 3x plus 5y upon 3x minus 5y is equal to 7 upon 3. Applying componendo and dividendo. So what happens? 3x plus 5y plus 3x minus 5y upon 3x plus 5y minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 7 plus 3 upon 7 minus 3. मतलब 1b plus 1b minus. So this is cancel out, right? And this is cancel out. So you get how much? 6x upon 10y is equal to 10 upon 3. You get it? This is 3 times 6. 3 times 6 becomes 9. 2 times 3 becomes 6. Huh? And sorry. 7 minus 3 becomes 4. I was a bit confused. I was 3 times 2 times 3 becomes 6, and 5 times 2 becomes 10. 5 times 2 becomes 10, and 2 times 2 becomes 4. Cross multiply. So it is how much? X upon y is equal to 5 into 5 becomes 25. 2 times 3 becomes 6. So you can write it x ratio y is equal to 25 ratio 6. This can be done. Right? When this chapter comes in your exam, when this is a method 2. When this question comes in your exams, till the time you will complete the chapter, and that chapter, this is also comes. It is also quite easy, but it can be. We can do like this also. Right? Okay. What next? Should I rub?
Yes.
Now we have 10th. Question number 10.
Yes.
What is that?
A ratio B is equal to
A ratio B is equal to
1 upon 4 ratio 1 upon 5.
1 upon
4.
1 upon 4 ratio 1 upon 5.
B ratio C is
Hmm?
B ratio C
A ratio C is equal to
B ratio
B ratio C is equal to
1 upon 7 ratio 1 upon 6.
1 upon 6. This is
Is find A B.
find A ratio B ratio C. Right. So if you are doing this, A ratio B is equal to 1 upon 4 ratio 1 upon 5. So you can write it like this. A upon B is equal to 1 upon 4 upon 1 upon 5. So we can write 5 upon 4. And similarly, you can write B ratio C is equal to 1 upon 7 ratio 1 upon 6 is equal to B upon C 1 upon 7 upon 1 upon 6 is equal to 6 upon 7, right? Now what? Now you get A upon B 5 by 4, 5 by 4, right? And B by C is equal to 6 upon 7, right? if you go in continued proportion, so क्या होता है? You will go like this. A upon B ratio B upon C. So this B should be same. So this should be same. So how you can make it same? No LCM. If you multiply these two, this by 6 and this by 6, and this is by 4 and this is by 4, so you get how much? A upon B is equal to 30 upon 24, right? And B upon C is equal to 24 upon 28. So now these two are same, right? So now you get A ratio B ratio C is equal to 30 ratio 24 ratio 28. You get this?
So 15, 12, 14.
मेरे से गलती हो गई. What mistake I made? This is the one way. सही है ये. मतलब A ratio B ratio C is equal to how much? 30 ratio 24 ratio 28. I made a mistake here. There is A upon B is equal to 5 by 4. And B upon C is equal to 6 upon 7, right? We need common. If we multiply both here by 3 and here by 2, so how much you get? AB is equal to 15 upon 12, comma B upon C is equal to 12 upon 40, right? So now A ratio B ratio C is equal to 15 ratio 12 ratio 40. You get this? अभी ठीक है? ऐसे कर सकते हैं. तो हमें बड़ा नंबर, unfortunately I taken wrong number. Number was not wrong. We have to simplify that. Okay, what next?
A ratio B. A ratio B.
Should I love?
Yes.
This was question number 10.
Yes, sir.
Now we are
9.
question number 9. What is that?
A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3.
Yeah?
A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3.
A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3.
B ratio C is equal to 4 ratio 5.
B ratio C is equal to
4 ratio.
4 ratio 5.
C ratio D is equal to
3. C ratio D
7.
is equal to
6 ratio 7.
6 ratio 7. Oh.
Find A. Find A.
Any. How you will do that? You write A upon B is 2 upon 3. You write B upon C is equal to 4 upon 5. And C upon D is equal to 6 upon 7. This you said. So first, in continued proportion, when we come, then this C no, this C is equal to this. They must be equal, right? So how you can make them equal? If you multiply this by 6 and 6 and this by 5 and 5, then it is BC is equal to 24 upon 30 and CD is equal to 30 upon 35. Okay. Now we come to among these two. So it is A upon B is equal to 2 upon 3 and B upon C is equal to 24 upon 30. Right? So by which number we must multiply so that the B becomes 24? So you can by 8. So you get here A upon B is equal to 16 upon 24. Right? And B upon C is equal to 24 upon 30 already there. Right? So we get. So now we have A ratio B is how much? 16 is to 24. B ratio C is equal to 24 upon 30. And C ratio D is how much?
30 ratio.
30 ratio? 35. 35. Right? So, therefore, A ratio D is equal to 24 ratio 35. You get this? This is your answer? Sorry. This is 16. A is 16, na? Sorry, this is 16. 16 ratio 35. Oh, by mistake I written.
16 ratio 30.
So this is the. What next is? This exercise is over.
Yes.
All questions you have done.
Yes.
Should I rub this?
Yes.
So we have continued proportion. Continued proportion is A upon B is equal to B upon C, or we can write it here A ratio B ratio C. So it becomes B square is equal to AC. This is continued proportion. In this, A ratio B ratio C, this is third proportion. This is mean proportion. And this is first proportion. Right? Then you have cross products. है ना? What is given you? Is given the cross products. Not वहाँ there is not a. Is anything written there? Okay, forget about this. So when we have, if you have studied in your earlier classes also cross product. Cross product. Cross product is A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. Right? So, product of means is equal to product of extremes. Product of extremes. Product of extremes. So it means PD is equal to BC. Hmm? Here also, this is mean proportion. Mean proportion. This is third proportion. This is fourth proportion. And this is first proportion. First proportion. You get this? This is we have. Generally we will use this. Right? Come to the last question of your exercise. इसमें each ratio लिखा हुआ है क्या? No. Perfect. Last question. Forget about that.
A, B, C, D are in continued proportion. Prove that. So 5 parts given. 5 parts given.
So we'll go with what is your question?
A, B, C, D.
Question number 23rd. There is given A ratio B ratio C ratio D. Right?
A
So-
cube plus B.
So they are in continued proportion. Wait. मतलब हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं A upon B is equal to B upon C is equal to C upon D. Continued proportion. Continued proportion. Proportion. ठीक? So क्या होता है? Let A upon B is equal to B upon C is equal to C upon D is equal to K. Right? So if I write A upon B is equal to K, therefore A is equal to BK. Okay. Now if we write B upon C is equal to K, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? B is equal to CK, and when B is equal to CK, so here you put the value and you get A is equal to B is equal to CK ना, तो it becomes CK square, right? Magic. Next is C upon D is equal to K. तो अभी क्या हो जाएगा? We write C is equal to dk. When C is equal to dk, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? B is equal to dk square. और ये कितना हो जाएगा? dk cube. So A is equal to dk cube, B is equal to dk square, C is equal to dk and D is equal to D. Getting? So मैंने क्या कहा? A is equal to dk cube, B is equal to dk square, C is equal to dk and D is equal to D. No issue? Now what is your question?
A cube plus B.
First. First part.
Yes.
Why you get confused? First part. What is
A cube plus B cube plus C cube.
A cube plus B cube plus C cube?
Upon B cube plus C cube plus D cube.
B cube plus C cube plus D cube is equal to
A upon D.
A upon D. Thick. So LHS is how much? A cube plus B cube plus C cube upon B cube plus C cube plus D cube. Barabar? What is the value of A?
DK.
dk cube. So you write here dk cube, whole cube. What is the value of B?
DK square.
B is dk square plus C is equal to
DK.
dk whole is cube karna, cube, and it is also cube. Is it? Huh? Okay. Now B is B is equal to dk square. So this is dk square whole cube plus dk whole cube plus d cube. So how much you will get now? D cube k raised to the power 9 plus d cube k raised to the power 6 plus d cube into k cube d फिर d cube k6 plus d cube k3 plus d cube is d cube. If you take from here lowest power क्या है? d cube k cube. d cube k cube you have taken as a common, so how much you will get? K raised to the power 6 plus k raised to the power 3 plus 1. If you take from here, the lowest power is d cube. कहाँ to? Huh? Where? Here we write dk.
k में से 3 लेंगे
ये यहाँ 3 d cube k cube.
सर कॉमन जब लेंगे
हाँ, जब कॉमन लिया हमने
तो k की
तो
पावर जो 9 है वो 3 हो जाएगा.
नहीं 3 है तो 9 माइनस 3 कितना होता है?
6.
भगवान. अब d क्यूब कॉमन लिया तो क्या बचा बाबू? k रेज टू द पावर 6 प्लस k की पावर 3 प्लस 1. ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गए, d क्यूब कैंसिल हो गए, तो क्या बचा? k क्यूब. और RHS is A upon D. So what was A? dk cube, or d is d, cancel out, so it becomes k cube. So LHS is equal to RHS is equal to k cube. Done? Done?
Yes.
Okay. This is within the frame. Okay. So next, what is your next question?
A, B, C are in continued proportion.
No. Section is there, na? What is that?
So, second or third.
You come to second. Third. तो क्या होगा?
A square minus B square.
वो earlier was same ना? जो initial was given, that was same now,
Yes.
that A upon B is equal to B upon C is equal to C upon D. They are in continued proportion. I hope that is same.
Yes.
They are in continued proportion. And what I gave you, A is equal to
DK
dk cube, B is equal to
DK square.
dk square, ck,
DK
अबे C is equal to
DK
dk and D is equal to
D.
D. Okay. Now what do you do? What is your question?
A square minus B square.
Part 2. A square minus B square.
C square minus D square.
Next bracket. C square minus D square
Is equal to B square minus C square.
is equal to B square minus C square. ये मसला है. How you will do this? करे ना करे. Oh.
इसको इससे इंटू दो. इस ब्रैकेट को इससे इंटू दो.
कर लो. D K cube whole square minus D K square whole square. Take this is we have LHS. This we have LHS. Right. So then we have dk whole square minus d square. Okay. So what you get? There is d square k raised to the power 6 minus d square k raised to the power 4 bracket. Now use this bracket. Here we have d square k square minus d square is equal to if you take d square k raised to the power 4, then you get k square minus 1, hello? Minus 1, and we take d square as a common, so we get k square minus 1, right? Now you take k square minus 1 and you take
whole square
किसका whole square
equals to b square minus c square.
b square minus c square ना
whole square
whole square भी है बहुत उम्दा
b का वैल्यू तो d के स्क्वायर है तो d के स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर करें.
नहीं अभी तो मैं इसको सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ ना. I'm doing LHS. I'm not touching RHS. अब मैंने ये क्या कर दिया, इसमें से प्रोडक्ट करना था ना. ठीक है, तो d raised to the power 4 k raised to the power 4 into k square minus 1 whole square. So you can write d square k square bracket k minus 1 whole square. Multiplication है ना ये तो. So we can write it like this. Hello, you get this? Okay, great. Now what is now we should solve RHS, है ना? We should. If we come to RHS is equal to b square means
dk square
dk whole square minus dk नहीं b is equal to dk square है ना, dk square whole square and it is dk square. Okay, so what do? You can write it d square k raised to the power 4 minus d square k raised to the power 2. हेलो, और इसके ऊपर ये पूरा होल स्क्वायर लगा रखा है मैंने ना, आपने होल स्क्वायर. सो जब मैंने इसको इधर शिफ्ट किया तो इट होल स्क्वायर विल बी हियर, राइट? d square k square k square minus 1 का होल स्क्वायर इसमें से तुमने डी स्क्वायर के स्क्वायर कॉमन ले लिया तो क्या बचा k रेज टू द k स्क्वायर minus 1 is equal to square. So it means what? LHS is equal to RHS is equal to d square k square bracket k square minus 1 whole square. You get this? Hence proved.
Yes.
I hope you understand. I could not understand anything. Do you understand? Huh? वैल्यूज को पुट करना है फिर फाइंड आउट करना है फिर उनको इक्वेट करना है राइट सो इज दिस सफिशिएंट फॉर टुडे
Yes.
ओके देन थैंक यू